Welcome to ENG 5205 Produce CAD Technical Drawing. This video illustrates 3D modeling exercise. There are two exercises I am going to explain in this part 1, which is shown in this picture. I'll share my screen now and then I will explain the procedure how to draw this exercise. This is the exercise I'm going to explain you now. And here first we need to start the drawing. Start drawing. And now, as usual, first you need to set the units and limits. Go to this show menu bar and then go to format, units, and set 0.0 and millimeter. Click OK, and then go to the formats, drawing limits. You have to set the lower left limit as 0, 0, which is default here, and the upper limit I'm going to just set 297, 210 for A4 size, and then zoom all. Okay. And this is the workspace we already set. Now here we have drafting and annotation. First we have to change the workspace as 3D modeling, because we are going to do the 3D modeling. Therefore first you need to set the workspace as 3D modeling, which is shown here, and then now we'll start drawing this object. And also you can set the view as shaded with edge, and the view here we can set this AC isometric, so that you will get the isometric plane where you are going to draw the 3D object. And this object can be drawn by drawing this front view, and then we can extrude this one. That's what we are going to do here. Now you can see the total length is 153 and this length is 89. Therefore 153 minus 89, it will be 64. Therefore both sides it should be 32 and 32. So we'll draw this one first. Go to the line command and start anywhere, doesn't matter, you can start anywhere, and I'm starting here. Switch on the ortho mode, and this length is 32 and the height here it is given 12, so height is 12, and this dimension is 89, it is given for 89, and the bottom is 12, and this side also 32, and the height is 25. Here we have 25 for height, 25. Then here we see the 50 by 50. We need to draw this inclined line. So first we will draw 50 height and then 50 the other side length. Then we can join these two, and then we can delete this to picture, delete, and that same way we can draw on the other side. We can start here 25 and again 50, and this side also 50, and then you can join these two ends so that you'll get inclined line of 50 by 50. Then delete these two, and again you can draw the line and join these two. Now this lines are individual lines, therefore we need to make it join so that it will be uniform object. Let's go to the modify tool. Here we have modify tool. You click this modify tool and select join option. Select join and select all object, all lines, then click enter, so that now it has become single object. If you have single object only, we can extrude. Now we can go to the extrude, and before that we need to see what is the length of extrusion. It is 50. Therefore go to the extrude and select object and click enter, and this length should be, extrusion should be 50, therefore just type 50, you'll get this object. This is done. We have completed the drawing, the first drawing. This is over. Now we're going to draw the next one. Next one is this drawing I'm going to draw. Here, this drawing can be easily drawn by similar way, just drawing the front surface and extrusion. It will be easier for us. Therefore, we can draw this front view first. In the same place we will draw. Here, what is this dimension? You can see 3 dimensions are given, 15, 15 and 15. Therefore, total length is 45. From here to here is 45. And this circle is 15 millimeter radius. Therefore, total length is 30. The diameter should be 30. For remaining 15, you have to divide 2, because this side 7.5, this side 7.5 we will get if you divide 15 over 2. So with this we can draw this object and select line and start from a point. Then this side 7.5, and then another length is 30, another 7.5 we will draw, and then here we have the height of 35, it is there. Therefore, from here we'll draw 35 height, and this distance 15, and the depth is 10. You can see here depth is 10, therefore 10, and this side also 15, side 10, and this side 15, and join. Later we need to draw the curve here. Okay, that drawing the curve of 15 radius, we can draw this and go to the arc, start center end, and you can start from this edge and select center, and you can see the curve is not in this section. For start, it is in other plane. It is not exactly the way we want, so we can draw the center and radius. We'll try. The plane is different, therefore we can go to the front, so that you'll get, and see this is the front of plane. Now we can draw the arc, start point, then center point, then end point. Finish. Now I'll go again with the SE isometric, and you can delete this, because this is what we need. Here we have as we like. Then again you have to go to the modify tool, then select join, and select all the objects, enter. Now you can go to the extrude, select the object, and extrusion length is 40. You can see here 40. Therefore just type 40. It's over. Now this is over. Okay, therefore we have completed these 2 exercises. The first one is this one, and second exercise also we have completed. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.